Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Bamboo Jars is probably one of the most aesthetically pleasing and eco-friendly storage solutions you can find. Today, we're diving deep into the world of bamboo jars with lids, exploring their design, functionality, and why they're becoming a kitchen staple. We'll cover everything from their sustainable origins to their practical uses in your home, helping you decide if these jars are the right fit for your needs. Number 5. Leaves and Trees Y 5-piece glass canister set. These airtight canisters are made of glass, a healthier alternative to plastic. They can withstand temperatures from -4 to 302 degrees Fahrenheit and are both dishwasher and microwave safe. The lids of these food storage jars have been upgraded for an airtight seal, keeping your food fresher for longer. They're perfect for both wet and dry foods, including baked goods, cookies, and cereals. This set includes 5 different sizes to meet all your storage needs. There are 2 small jars, 2 medium jars, and 1 large jar, perfect for everything from flour and sugar to pasta and rice. The clear glass design makes it easy to find what you need quickly. The wooden lid and clear glass offer a minimalist and modern design that will blend in perfectly with your kitchen decor. These functional jars are great for storing a variety of items, such as rice, cookies, teas, and more. You can also use them for packaging homemade holiday gifts. What we like. These jars are made of glass, a healthier alternative to plastic. The airtight seal keeps food fresh longer, perfect for storing various dry goods. If you are looking for a stylish and healthy storage solution for your kitchen, you should consider this set. What people say. They are cute, functional, keep everything fresh and good value. I love the different sizes. Aesthetic and helps organize. The lids shut nicely. The glass is thick and durable. Nice looking in my pantry and perfect for all the types of flour I use. Easily accommodates a 5-pound bag of flour. Top seals nicely. Number 4. Yibaodan 9-ounce glass jars with bamboo lids. This set includes 12 glass jars, each with a 9-ounce capacity. It also comes with labels, perfect for organizing your kitchen. These small jars are ideal for spices and small items. The jars are made of food-grade, lead-free, high borosilicate glass. The bamboo lids have a silicone ring for an airtight seal. This container can withstand high and low temperatures. The bamboo lids with silicone seals create an airtight environment. This helps keep the contents fresh and dry. It also looks great on your counter. The clear glass lets you see what's inside and monitor your supplies. The jars are dishwasher, refrigerator, and microwave safe. The wooden lids can be wiped clean. These jars are great for storing wet or dry ingredients. It's perfect for storing beans, baked goods, tea, and spices. It helps save space in your kitchen. What we like. This set includes 12 small glass jars, ideal for organizing spices and small items. The bamboo lids create an airtight seal, keeping contents fresh and dry. If you like to keep your kitchen tidy and organized, you should consider this set. What people say. These are high quality and perfect for organizing cupboards. The perfect size to use a tablespoon with. Holds plenty of spices without being too large to still fit on a spice rack. Airtight seal, thick enough glass, quality product. The glass quality is excellent, and the bamboo lids seal tightly, keeping everything fresh, from spices and herbs to coffee and grains. The included labels make organizing super easy, and the jars look beautiful displayed on shelves or countertops. Number 3. Glass spice jars with bamboo lids, 20 PCS. These spice jars are well packaged and visually appealing. The set helps you sort and store spices, herbs, and seasonings, making your kitchen clean and beautiful. It's a great way to organize your space. The set includes 131 pre-printed spice labels, 9 blank labels, and 8 expiration date labels. These high-contrast labels are easy to read and made of waterproof material that won't peel or tear. They fit perfectly on the jars. The glass jars are thicker than others, made of 2.4 mm glass for sturdiness. The wooden lids have a silicone ring to keep spices fresh and dry. This design ensures the longevity of the product. These 4-ounce glass jars with lids make a great gift. Consider them for Mother's Day or a housewarming gift for anyone who loves kitchen organization. Order a set today. The jars and labels can be washed with water and are dishwasher safe, while the wooden lids can be wiped with a cloth. The glass can withstand temperatures between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 302 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use it in the microwave, fridge, freezer, and oven. What we like. This set includes 20 spice jars with pre-printed labels, perfect for organizing your pantry. The labels are waterproof and easy to read. If you are looking for a complete and stylish spice storage solution, you should consider this set. What people say. Bottles are perfect size and good thing is it comes with stickers. The labels and bamboo lids have a protective coating on them. The silicone rings do a wonderful job of keeping moisture out. Number 2. EcoEvo glass jars with bamboo lids, 6-pack. These EcoEvo glass jars are crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass. They feature smooth, beautifully polished bamboo lids. The lids are strong, durable, and eco-friendly. Use these jars to organize your kitchen and pantry. They're perfect for storing dry ingredients like pasta, cereal, and nuts. They are also great for coffee, tea, and snacks. EcoEvo offers these jars in a high-value pack. The size is carefully chosen for multiple uses. They are stackable and the silicone ring ensures food stays fresh. The 6-pack of medium-sized jars is ideal for dry food storage. They fit perfectly in pantries, cabinets, and drawers. Each jar holds 27 ounces and measures 3.74 inches x 6 inches. The clear glass resists stains and odors, and it's non-porous. Unlike plastic, these jars are a one-time investment. You can use them for a lifetime. What we like. These glass jars are made of high-quality borosilicate glass with bamboo lids. They are perfect for storing dry ingredients and organizing your pantry. If you have a passion for a well-organized and stylish kitchen, you should consider these jars. What people say. I use these little jars as part of my toppings ensemble and it just looks so clean and nice. I love that they stack in and have been sturdy thus far. Good airtight seal around the lid and it has kept my cooking spices fresh. The size is pretty convenient, and the jars are tough as nails. They fell a couple of times on the kitchen tiles and did not break. Number 1. Glass jars and acrylic laundry organizer set. Tired of a messy laundry room? This set is designed to bring order and elegance. It includes everything you need to store your laundry essentials in style. The set features 2 glass bottles with lids and an acrylic box with a lid. It also comes with 27 minimalist labels to help you keep everything organized and easy to find. The acrylic box measures 7.3 by 5 by 3.7 inches, and the glass bottles are 5.5 by 6.5 inches with a 0.5 gallon capacity. These sizes are perfect for storing dryer sheets, laundry pods, and powder detergent. The glass bottles have a large 5.5-inch opening, making it easy to fill and clean. The bamboo lids add a touch of natural elegance while keeping your items fresh. The set includes 27 waterproof labels, each 2.5 by 2.5 inches. These labels are easy to apply and remove, helping you create a clean and tidy look in your laundry room or bathroom. Made with clear, BPA-free glass and quality acrylic, this set is both durable and stylish. It's the perfect way to organize your laundry room and keep it looking neat and elegant. What we like. This set includes glass jars and an acrylic box, perfect for organizing your laundry room. The large opening makes it easy to use and clean. If you are looking for a stylish and functional laundry storage solution, you should consider this set. What people say. The jars are very well made and look great. The bamboo lids fit well and create a good seal. These jars are perfect for storing spices and other dry goods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.